Okay children, now we are going to study about another new different words. Listen here, I just kept the two new cards, isn't it? Okay, what is the sound of E? I. This is what is the sound of R? R. 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 The letter E and R, the sounds like R. R. Okay? R. R. Okay, now I'm going to keep this two letter card remain same. Okay, now I'm going to introduce the three new cards here. W, A, T, E and R. Okay, listen. What is the sound of E and R? R. Okay, just don't forget that. What is the sound of E and R? R. Okay, now tell me what is the sound of W? W. 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 T. What? R. Water. Okay, now we are getting the sound of the water. Yes, now we are able to read the water. Very nice children. Very nice. Just listen carefully. What is the sound of E and R? R. Isn't it? What is the sound of E and R? R. Okay, now just listen carefully. W. What is the sound of W? V. What is the sound of A? Va. Va. What? 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 R. Water. Okay, now we're getting the sound of water. Yes. Okay, now I'm just keeping this card behind here. I'm going to keep another three letter card. B. A. K. Okay, now listen children, listen carefully. I've already told what is the sound of E and R. 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 Isn't it? What is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of A? A. Ba. Bak. Bak. What is the sound of K? K. What? Bak. Bak. What is the sound of E and R? R. Backer. Backer. Baker. 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 Okay, what is the sound of B? Backer. Backer. Okay, it's called baker. Okay, that one who doing the baking items we called as baker. Now I'm just keeping the three letters card behind. Now I'm going to introduce another three letters. D, I, N and one more N. Okay children, now listen carefully, listen carefully. Now you are able to see it clearly. Okay. Okay children, now I just kept three new cards. D, I, N, N. Okay, I just kept four new cards. D, I, N, N. Okay, then I've already told you the sound of E and R is R. 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 Okay, now tell me what is the sound of D? D. What is the sound of I? E. What is the sound of N? N. Din. Okay, if the same words come, then it will be pronounced like longer. N. If suppose the O comes here, we have to pronounce O. If double N means long sound. Okay, if the same word comes between the any words means the same word should be pronounced like long. For example, here N is coming, isn't it? Here there are two N. Okay, then we have to pronounce it longer. N. Okay, in case if suppose if two O has come in means we have to pronounce like O. Okay, if two same words comes means we have to pronounce it longer. Okay, now tell me dinner. Okay, we have to pronounce it longer. N, isn't it? Dinner. Okay, dinner. Okay, what is the sound of D? D. What is the sound of E? I, E. What is the sound of the double N? It's a long pronunciation. N. Dinner. 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 Yes, now you are able to read this for 5 letters word very easily. Okay, children, now I'm going to introduce a again new word. Okay, children, we have so far we have learned about 5 letters word. Now we are going to learn about 6 letter word, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to make you very easy how to read 6 letter word. You already know this 2 letter word sounds E and R. What is the sound of E and R? Ir, isn't it? Okay, what is the sound of B? Ba. What is the sound of I? E. Okay, if two word comes, if two T or two N or two O, any word same, two word or same means we have to pronounce it longer. Okay, what is the sound of T? T. So we have to pronounce it longer because the two T has come in here. Okay, how to pronounce it longer? T. T. We have to pronounce it longer. Okay, now just we will begin from here. Bitter, bitter. Okay, b, and that sound. This is E. Bitter, bitter, bitter. Okay, bitter means some taste which gives a bitter taste. Like if you eat something like neem leaves. If you eat neem leaves means what is the taste? That is called a bitter, which don't you like actually. Yes, the children don't like the bitter taste. It is, isn't it? Did you love the bitter gourd? Yes, but it is very good for your health. Okay, we have to eat a lot of bitter gourds. That will avoid that worms coming on your stomach. Okay, it will avoid that worms in the stomach. Okay, we have to eat some bitter taste also. Okay, okay, children. Okay, now just listen carefully. One more time, I'm telling children. Listen. E and R sound is er, er, er. Okay, now I'm just coming from here. Bit. When two words same, then we have to pronounce it like longer. T. Or if it comes O means O. If it comes P means P. Okay, like that. Bitter, bitter, bitter. Okay, children. Now you can able to read the 6 letter words very easily. Okay, children. Let's see the another set of words, children.